immaculate condition, inside and out. A premium turn-by-turn navigation system is included. Keep the kids happy with the great built-in entertainment system. Be the only guy in town with this sweet ride. How could you possibly fit everyone? A third row seat is how, and this one's got it. Free Carfax report. Remember, if a dealership has nothing to hide, why wouldn't they show you a Carfax report? Come and see why this is the place for you to get your next vehicle. Call us today for the ultimate shopping experience.